Okay, visual components, it actually can do a lot of useful things for you, especially when you want to look at your digital factory simulation. So fortunately, okay, if you are SME and if you have your RA, done your RA, you can actually join a program on the visual components that we are going to teach using this Rise Forward grant. So later we will share with you more details about this grant. That will teach you how to develop your own smart factory, right, digitally, and it will teach you the lean components, lean manufacturing principles on creating your smart factory. Yeah. Then of course, if you need to buy the software later on, we can share with you who is the distributor lah. Yeah. They have certain packages available for companies, which they can help you to work on those packages lah. But at least once you run through the training program, you have an idea how to develop your own self. It is very useful lah. Yeah. Because you can actually start from one process, then you can move on to another process, another process, another process. We actually did a webinar many months back on digital factory, which actually shares how you start from the first layout to the last layout, and you can actually see that there's a difference in how you change the layout to improve your productivity.